Losing important data on a failed hard drive or phone can be a stressful and costly setback for businesses and individuals. That's why we at Secure Data Recovery are proud to announce our partnership with Techy, a longtime leader in phone and electronic repair services. At Secure Data Recovery, our partnership aims to offer the residents of Deerfield Beach access to top-notch data recovery services. With our commitment to excellence, we provide free diagnostics and have a no data, no recovery fee policy. Rest assured, if we can't recover your data, you won't be charged a cent. Additionally, we offer a no obligation price quote, giving you a clear understanding of what to expect before making any commitments. Our comprehensive data recovery services cover damaged hard drives, phones, SSDs, flash drives, and RAID arrays, enabling us to assist you in retrieving your valuable data regardless of the device you use. Come talk to our experienced representatives conveniently located just off I-95, located at 1335 South Military Trail, Deerfield Beach, Florida 33442. If you are heading north on I-95, take exit 41 onto Southwest 10th Street. Take a left onto South Military Trail and then a right after Burger King. Take your second left and you'll see us on the left side of Walgreens with plenty of parking out front. Whether it's a failed hard drive, water damage, or a crashed server, we have all your data recovery needs covered. So if you're facing data loss, there's no need to panic. Give us a call today or simply stop by Techy and let our experts assist you in retrieving your valuable data. Remember, at Secure Data Recovery, we've got you covered.